Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Revolut account to a bank account. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you have funds in your balance. Tap on the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then select Bank Recipient to add a new bank account. Choose the country or currency of the bank. Then enter the recipient's first name, last name, and optional email. Then tap Add Recipient when done. Go back to your contacts list, select the recipient you just added, and tap Send at the bottom. Enter the amount you want to transfer. For example, $2, and tap Continue. Review the details carefully, then tap Send to complete the transfer. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Revolut to a bank account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.